Step 1. Organize your study material. Gather all your study materials, notes, textbooks, and resources. If you are learning from a course online, remember that some lectures are long on purpose. That is mostly intended to sell the illusion of a return on investment. So collect the knowledge that is directly taught and organize it in a brief summary that you have written yourself. That will greatly help you understand the topic. Otherwise, research the topic further until you are confident enough to write a conclusion yourself. Step 2. Create a clear and organized study space. Create a space where you can focus without distractions. Put your phone on silent and have your environment clean, in a lack of a better word, boring. That way, your mind will not drift to other topics. Step 3. Understand the exam format. Know the structure of the exam, whether it's multiple choice, essay-based, or a mix of different question types. This will help you tailor your study approach accordingly. If it's an exam that you can find examples of online, practice on them. Step 4. Create a study schedule. Develop a study timetable that allocates sufficient time for each subject or topic. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks with short breaks in between. Remember to not overburden yourself, as the input of information slows based on the amount of time you dedicate yourself past your mental limit per time of study. Step 5. Active learning. Instead of passively reading or highlighting, engage with the material actively. Take notes, summarize concepts in your own words, and teach what you've learned to someone else. This helps reinforce your understanding. I would personally recommend to use the program by the name of Anki. It will help you make flashcards that will constantly test your memory and will sharpen your reactive thinking on the topic. Step 6. Use various learning resources. If the topic is not understandable from one source, other sources might help a lot more. Utilize textbooks, lecture notes, online resources, and videos. Diversifying your learning sources can provide different perspectives on the same topic and will greatly benefit your personal understanding on it. Step 7. Stay consistent. Like you will understand in the rest of my videos, consistency is crucial. Regular, shorter study sessions over time are more effective than cramming at the last minute. I would recommend to research on the Pomodoro's technique due to its effectiveness and success rate. Step 8. Test yourself. Periodically, quiz yourself on the material you've studied. This helps reinforce your memory and identify areas that need further review. Try and explain your answer to yourself using your own words, as if you are presenting it to someone else. If you are getting stuck trying to explain a particular topic, return to it and further work on it. Step 9. Stay healthy. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports better cognitive function and concentration. Have a bottle of water near you, and perhaps a sweet fruit of some kind, like an apple, to provide your brain the sugars it needs to work optimally. Step 10. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to manage exam-related stress and anxiety. The more relaxed you will approach the exam, the higher the chances that you will pass it. Step 11. Review and revise. Set aside time for regular reviews of previously studied material and spaced repetition, where you revisit concepts at increasing intervals. That way, you enhance long-term retention. Again, using something like Anki will provide fruitful results even if in the beginning you will not be able to correctly answer all of them. Don't lie to yourself by skipping the flashcard, especially if it's particularly hard or annoying to answer. In the end, it is meant for you and you alone. Eventually, you'll remember it. Step 12. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude. Negative thoughts can affect your motivation and performance. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and optimism. You have put in the effort so far, and you are able to answer any part of the exam, no matter what it is. Step 13. Seek help. If you're struggling with certain concepts, don't hesitate to ask for help. Reach out to teachers, professors, classmates, or online communities for clarification. That way, they will be able to sharpen your idea on the topic and shape it in your mind. Step 14. Stay focused during the exam. On exam day, read all instructions carefully, manage your time wisely, and start with the questions you feel most confident about. Remember, a good cake cannot be made by reading half of the instructions and not following the recipe carefully. I personally cannot stress this enough on how many exams I could have aced if only I would pay more attention on the questions I was presented with. Thank you for watching. If there are any other topics I should cover, or if there is anything I've missed, let me know in the description. Until next time.